Self-destruct sequence activated.
Okay, welcome to part 2 on the fully upgrade on the Ender 3 3D printer right here. Did ran into a couple of problems right now. It kept on short-circuiting every time, but when I hook up the old one, it didn't do anything at all. But basically, they have the exact same amount of... Now, I do want to... They have the exact same connectors I was trying to say. But here's what I want to show you. It was this wire right here that was just short-circuiting it. But basically, everything else was fine. But this one was not. So, I don't know if it's a connection to this or not. I don't know. So, what I've done is I took all the guts from this one. Because this is from the new one. This is from the old one. I put all the stuff from the old one onto here. And it works. It works excellent. It comes right on. It doesn't turn off. It doesn't reboot itself. So, here is the old motherboard right here that I happen to have right here. This is the old one that was actually into this. I thought there was something wrong with it, but it turns out there wasn't. But I am going to keep this right here for something, just for in case if I need to in the future or something. But basically, I got a Pro 3 on here, so basically that's why I got it on here right now. But I didn't want to use this part because I really do not like this part right here. But if you guys do end up getting an Ender 3 in the future for you guys yourselves and 3D print out your own stuff right here and have this little setup right here. Now this is the reason why I want to have this little setup. Move the camera a little closer, that way you guys can actually see of what I'm actually talking about. Now this, push this down a little bit, that way you guys see. This is why I wanted this. I wanted direct contact to this right here, that way it will not, because I hate this right here because sometimes the filament gets a little tangled, or this right here ends up melting right into here. I really do not like it. So I'm still going to keep this, however, for parts, just in case if I want to use it in the near future for something else, or to another printer that I will have in the future. So I want to keep that right there. But as for this, I'm still going to keep this right here for parts. I mean, these two right here are still good. But as for the wire, the white wire for this will not exactly work. So I don't know if it's something in this connector that's still not working, or maybe it's just this whole wire right here, or maybe it's a fuse into here, something came from the factory or something. I'm not for sure, but I really like to take this part off to save this, and hopefully that will work. So I'm just very happy right now that this thing is finally working. I don't have to do no more upgrades on it. This thing's done. This thing's working, functional now. Don't have to worry about this right now, but also you can actually see right there, that's going to be for another video right there. So finally now I have 3 working 3D printers right now that's going to be 3D printing their heads off right now. So I hope you guys like this video, and you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, also hit subscribe if you haven't already, so that way. And also now I finally got this to work. I can finally install this right here. Now this right here is a wireless box right here. I'm just gonna have for these 2 printers right here. I really don't need one for that one, but this one right here I'm gonna go ahead and have, because this right here, I can hook this up right here if I want to. I can 3D print something on the app, whatever. I already installed a card into this right here, so hopefully it will work. So I have not, but I'll go ahead and say that for another video right there and get this right here fully set up. Hopefully by the time when I'm going to be doing that, I will be getting another camera for there so I can start doing this. So hope you guys liked the video, and stay safe out there, you guys. And now I'm done with this. I need a nice cool one. Catch you guys on the flip side.